Among the various plants of my garden, home garden, this rose has bloomed. This is a sapling actually, and the main plant is this one. So I had transplanted a small sapling in this pot about 3 months earlier, and now it has bloomed. Another one is over here. So this rose plant also I had transplanted few months ago, and now the buds have come. But similarly, there are more plants in my garden. So here you can see some guava plant is there, then one small pumpkin is also there, then one I think citrus fruit is there. So they would take time, even though I am watering them, and only at particular time, the fruit will bear, not earlier to that. And also that does not mean that the work has gone in vain. The work will definitely bloom like a flower, and it will fruit also, but it would take time. In our Indian society, there is a custom of celebrating various functions of human life. Like yesterday, we had gone for that Annaprasan. So, like that only, the death is also celebrated, and marriages, of course, it is celebrated. But among all these, actually the relationship of marriage is the longest one. It is not just one function, but it has to continue the whole life. So there are many other ways of life, actually the lifestyle. And in yoga also, the maintenance of everyday life, and at particular stage of life, like the young age, the middle age, the old age. So there are various practices by which we can understand and manage our life better. Here one very important issue that arises is that of the maintenance and management of our sex life. We may be a man or woman, and our sex life depends upon the management of our own self. Nobody else will come and manage it. So in yoga actually, and in the cultural practices also, it is said that if the excretion is going on well, means our excretory system, that is stool, then urine, perspiration. So these three things, if it is going on well, then it is like no tension is there. But in today's new generation, somewhere people find that sex life is a problem. uh, Sex life of our own, then sex life of uh, the people around us. But I do not think that the sex life of the parents could be a problem for their children, because in my life till now, like I have got two brothers and myself, I'm the only sister. So we did not have any such problem if our parents are happy and they are going for their sex life. We always felt happy. We felt good about that. We did not have any problem because of that. And uh, today, with the technology world, and a lot of exposure has been made, but the management of our own self is like it was there in earlier times also. That is how our culture has been made. We did not needed any new cultural practices or new technology to manage our personal life, our sex life.